The question is, when you post content on a LinkedIn page, is it 100% public? Let me show you what you can and can't do on a LinkedIn company page. Now, I'm on my company page, Burriss Consulting. You can see I'm in here as a super admin. This is the only way, the only way you can post content to a company page is in an admin view. You can't do it if you view as a member. So I come down here to post a piece of content. I can put anything I want to put here, but here's the magic. By default, it's anyone. The options you have is targeted audience. If you choose targeted audience and you choose a specific, a filter here, I'm going to choose North America, then what you're doing is you're limiting the number of people that LinkedIn will potentially show this content to. And that may be important to do if you really want to target your content to specific targeted people, then that might be the right thing to do. However, even if you do this, and you post it to a subset with targeted audience, your content is still, when I post this piece of content, LinkedIn may be targeting those people that you said to target, and it will put that content in their newsfeed potentially, and it could potentially then make that piece of content on the top of your company page when they view your company page. But beyond that, this piece of content is still 100% visible to anyone, anywhere. If I copy the link to this, let me grab that link, and I go to an incognito window and put that out there, that piece of content is 100% public to anyone and everyone. Again, the difference is with targeted audience, you're telling the application, hey, I prefer you to share this content with these people, again, in their newsfeed, or make that content the most relevant. When they look at your post on your company page, they will see that it's the top or most relevant versus some other piece of content. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. Hope this is helpful for you.